Welcome to baby Aara Kids TV.
So let's make the airplane. Fold it like this. In the center. And after this, make sure all the edges are sharp and crisp. Fold it slowly and carefully, and then just do a inner fold and press it very nicely. And other side also, repeat the same. Okay, so our airplane is ready.
I can do the slide.
You can? Okay.
And that.
Ooh, oh my god, can you see? She's so happy. Do you like the aeroplane?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, Mama. Like this, Mama.
Okay, like this, Mama.
Okay, can I? Okay guys, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.